Today we will create surface from pile and contour. Let's start it. Surface, right click, create surface, and give name to your surface, road power, anything. I have data of road 4, so always I'm writing this name. You can assign style to your surface. After giving name to your surface, uh, click on the plus sign, click on the plus sign, and go to down the point file. I have no points and no points group in this drawing, so I will right click on point file and then add, and then add sign. Before I will show you what type of file I have, you must have CSV or TXT file without headings. It must be start from 1 2 3, like digit, no serial number, easting, northing, elevation, nothing. If there is alphabet, if your file is open, it will not come to your civil 3D drawing. So my CSV file of points are open. Now you can see it's a digit, uh, point, easting, northing, elevation, description. So what will I do? I will click on the plus sign, selecting the file, where is that one, and open. It will not come. Why? As I told you, if the file is open, it will not come. I will click again, the same file, open, and it will appears. Now you can check from here what file format you using, and if it is exactly what you have, click OK. Now directly it will appear as a surface. No need to create point group or anything. It is direct method of creating surface. So if you double click on the screen, it will appear. This is my surface for road number 4. Okay, from here, right click on the surface property. You can change the surface style what you like 1 meter to 5 meters, like the contour 5 meter to 25 meter, anything you want, what style you need, you can change to the slope, any media or many style you can assign one to your surface. Okay, this is the direct method of surface creating from point file. Then next we will create surface from contours. The contours which are uh, make before somebody and then convert to black and exploded. If you can see, I take this contour from this file because this file is very heavy, so I take some part from this one. I will close this file. Okay, the contour line must have the elevation. If there will be no elevation, your surface will be not created or your surface will be flattened. So this must know points of this surface creation. Right click on the surface, give name to your surface, ngl of what road. You can change the surface style from here. Okay, click OK, and click on the plus sign, and go to contour. And definition, there is contour. Right click on contour and then add. Give any name to your description, anything you want. Their wedding picture, angle. This must be wideable, filling gaps in contour. Yes, sweeping edges, you can smoothing the edge if you want, and then click OK. Now select the contour from which you want to make the surface. and the surface is created. You can see it's exactly above the contour line what we have. Okay, if I will close the surface, this surface now, this is the new surface which is created. You can see an object viewer, this surface I have. Okay, so if I will close the surface, my contour line will remain from which I have made the surface. The contour line must have elevation. Before you changing this contour line to surface, you should check in property the contour line must have if you can see 268 is the elevation for this, and they are all contour have the elevation. So if you contour line elevation, then surface will